Here is your 600-word script with your exact requirements. Welcome back to Today on the Frame Car Red 1945, the channel where we explore the machines that shaped automotive history and still capture our imagination today. In this video, we're taking a close look at the iconic Car Red 1945, a model that carries the raw character, mechanical simplicity, and bold identity of its era. This is a vehicle that stands as a reminder of a time when engineering was direct, styling was impactful, and every inch of the design served a clear purpose. Starting with the exterior, the Red 1945 makes an immediate statement with its upright stance, solid metal bodywork, and unmistakably vintage proportions. The deep red finish works beautifully with its era-specific contours, giving it both presence and personality. The front end features a bold grille design framed by classic round headlights, highlighting the straightforward engineering of the period. There's no excess styling, no elaborate sculpting, just pure functional design that still manages to look striking almost 8 decades later. The fenders curve outward in a smooth, rounded fashion, adding a sense of solidity, while the long hood emphasizes the mechanical heart underneath. Running along the sides, the simplicity continues with clean lines, exposed hinges, and trim that enhances the elegant yet rugged character. The wheels sit confidently beneath large arches, creating a sturdy and grounded posture. Around the rear, the design finishes with small, purposeful tail lamps and a compact trunk setup that reflects the practical priorities of the time. Overall, the exterior appearance of the Car Red 1945 is a reminder of how bold simplicity can create a timeless look. When it comes to performance, the Car Red 1945 represents the engineering approach of its generation: durable, straightforward, and built for reliability over speed. Under the hood is an engine designed to be tough, easy to repair, and capable of handling rough roads and demanding conditions. It's not about high horsepower or rapid acceleration, but rather delivering consistent performance mile after mile. The throttle response has that classic mechanical feel, giving the driver a direct connection to the engine's rhythm. The suspension setup, though basic by modern standards, provides a surprisingly stable ride, especially considering the period in which it was built. The steering requires firm input, reflecting the weight of the body and the absence of modern power assistance, but it also offers a pure and engaging driving experience that many enthusiasts appreciate today. Braking performance relies on simpler systems, demanding more attention and anticipation from the driver. Altogether, the driving characteristics of the Car Red 1945 remind you of a time when every movement behind the wheel felt tactile and important, when vehicles demanded involvement and rewarded skill. Moving into the interior, the design stays true to the straightforward personality of the car. Opening the door reveals a cabin built around practicality and simplicity. The seats are crafted with durability in mind, offering a firm but supportive feel typical of mid-20th century automobiles. The dashboard is minimalistic, featuring essential gauges that provide only the information a driver truly needs. Large, easy-to-read dials sit front and center, while the controls are mechanical switches and levers that click with a satisfying sense of purpose. Materials throughout the cabin reflect the era: solid metal surfaces, straightforward upholstery, and a layout that prioritizes functionality. There's no unnecessary clutter, no modern distractions, just a pure driving environment that lets you focus on the road and the machine. The Car Red 1945 stands as a testament to how design, engineering, and purpose came together in simpler times. It's a blend of rugged construction, timeless style, and mechanical honesty. For anyone who appreciates classic automobiles, this machine offers a glimpse into the roots of automotive evolution and the enduring charm that still draws enthusiasts today. Thank you for watching Today on the Frame Car Red 1945. If you enjoy deep dives into legendary machines and timeless automotive icons, make sure to stay tuned for more.